Hi, my name is Ahnav. So I'm going to showcase one of my startups. So I'm building Mechie, which is the Leetcode, but for mechanical engineers. So us software engineers have Leetcode to prepare for technical interviews, but mechanical engineers don't have anything. So I partnered up with one of the biggest engineering creators to make this. And so this is a 3-person founding engineer team. So I work with 2 other engineers. So here is the product. So this is the code base. So if I just run it, okay, it's running. So this is the home page. So this is a very clean UI where you can see the hard, easy, medium questions that you've done, and you can also filter them by the topics that you want to do, and also by difficulty. You can also search the questions. And then if you want to see a solution, it prompts you to attempt the question first. So here is the here's where you attempt the question. So it says draw and compare the stress strain curve of steel versus aluminum. So we can make the axes, and let's say I just submit. So this is an AI feature which generates feedback based on what you have drawn. So it also stores your previous attempts and tracks the time when you have done it. So if you want to revise, it allows you to do that. And so yes, this is the AI chatbot that we built. So it's just upon submission, it just gives you some feedback on what you should improve on and like any feedback. But now if you want to see a solution, you can just go to view solution, where one of my co-founders have made the solutions for like all the problems. So we have stored this solution in Firebase, and it is protected, so you can't see. It is very secure. So if anybody hasn't paid for the premium, they cannot see the questions. They cannot find the questions because it is done by signed URLs in Firebase. And you can also compare your attempts with the solution. It gives the complete solution. Then we have settings. Over here is just your account. Then you can upgrade plan. So currently we have 3 different plans. So I was at the most premium one, and the standard one doesn't give you the solutions, and then the classic one gives you the solutions, and so on. You can also upgrade plan. So this is our payment. We use Stripe for it. You can so currently it's in test, so you can just you have to use a dummy card to just pay for it. Yeah, so that is Stripe. So it's gonna update the plan. Yep. So it just downgraded due to this plan. Yeah. Okay. So to the code base, this is a Next.js and Next.js front end, and also like backend with the Firebase storage. So over here we have all the images and pages. Okay. So over here we have the APIs for communicating with to get the videos from Firebase. And then here we have all the different backend APIs which connects to Stripe, and we also store the information in Firebase. This is our front end, where this one particularly. So these are all the pages. Okay, one more thing that we have, which I did not show yet, is if you log out. If you log out, you can you go through this very clean onboarding, where it tailors it to your needs. So yeah, so that was my project, my startup that we are launching soon. Hopefully we get to launch this next week or within 10 days. That's the plan. We're currently testing with users, as I can show the analytics here. Currently we have, for the last 30 days, we have a lot of traffic because we are testing with the waitlist the members. So here we have the waitlist. So these are all the people who signed up for the waitlist. So we have 2,000 of them here. Thank you so much for watching. That was my startup.